Hi, this is Deepu. Welcome to another video of Tech Lab. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can install Windows 11 Developer Preview on your computer. Windows 11 is a new operating system with some new features. Even though the previous version of Windows 10 should have been the last version of Windows according to Microsoft in 2015, but now they have sealed the fate of Windows 10 as they are going to end its support on October 14th, 2025. If you want to install Windows 11 on your computer, you have to have a 1 GHz dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, UEFI and secure boot capable motherboard, which you already have if you own a first or second generation Intel processor, or AMD M3 from 2003 and onwards. A DirectX 12 supported graphics card must be needed for Windows 11. Let's say you have all of these and you want to switch from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Microsoft does not provide any Windows 11 ISO yet, but you can download Windows 11 developer version from many websites if you search on Google. But I won't be able to provide any download links here. If I do, they will bring down my channel. Remember, to find the ISO, you just have to search for Windows 11 ISO on Google. That's all. There is a lot of problems when we try to install Windows 11 as a fresh Windows on a computer. Firstly, it would give us an error and it was not bootable to any computers using DVD or pen drive. Because it's DRM locked, it was only installable to virtual machines. That's why we got all the leaked pictures of Windows 11 in 1600 x 1200 resolution, which is very common in virtual machines. That's why Linus from Linus Tech Tips, which I am a big fan of by the way, ended up installing Windows 11 on virtual machine with GPU, mouse, keyboard using Android. Android is an operating system that you can run even from a USB pen drive and pass through any hardware that you need for your virtual machine. But today I am going to show you a way by which you can install Windows 11 on your desktop or laptop computer without facing any compatibility error. You can easily install Windows 11 as easily you are used to set up Windows 10 on your computer. First, I am going to download Windows Media Creation Tool from Microsoft website. Then I open this software and connect my USB pen drive to my computer. It will automatically detect the pen drive and download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft to this pen drive, also making it bootable to any desktop or laptop computer. It may take a few hours as my internet speed is not that good. After a few hours, the job is finally done and I am going to open the pen drive, go to sources and then search for install.esd. You have to delete it. Now you have to open the Windows 11 ISO, assuming you have already searched Google for Windows 11 ISO and got a copy of that. Trust me, it's very easy. Now, as I have opened the ISO, it should open like a DVD on your computer if you are running Windows 10. But if you are running other operating system like Windows 7, you have to install softwares like Daemon Tools to open the ISO. Now open the sources folder and find install.wim. Now copy this install.wim to our pen drive's sources folder. That's all. You have successfully made a Windows 11 installation pen drive. I got this trick from Brian from TechS City. He's a very cool dude. Don't forget to check out his channel. Now you can connect this pen drive to your computer and boot to Windows 11 installer and easily install it on your computer as you are used to install Windows 10. But if you don't know how to do that, keep watching this video. Now I have restarted my computer and select the UEFI mode from here and it will start up Windows 11 setup screen. Click next, click install now I'm going to select I don't have a product key. Now I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro as my desired Windows version. Now click next. Accept, click next. Now I'm going to select custom as I want to fresh install Windows 11 on my computer. Click new, apply, OK. It will automatically format my drive and click next, and it will start installing Windows 11 on your computer. When the installation is done, it will restart your computer and you have to disconnect your pen drive. It's going to install the basic drivers for your computer and load into Windows 11 setup screen. From here, I'm going to select United States as my region. Then select US as my keyboard layout. And I don't need any extra keyboard layouts, so I'm going to click skip. Now I'm going to set up this computer as a personal computer. Click next. From here you can log into your Microsoft account, but I'm not going to do that. I want to create an offline account. For that, I'm going to disconnect my internet connection and click back. Now I'm setting the username as TechLab and I'm not giving any passwords. Click next. Click accept. It will automatically take you to the Windows 11 desktop. Now as you guys can see, the start menu is up and we got this kind of a start menu from Windows 11. Everything is in the middle on the taskbar and it looks good, more like Mac OS. Now I'm going to click the search icon. It looks good. Now from the desktop icon you can create extra workspace within the same computer. And let's click on the widget button, and as we don't have the internet connection, it's going to look like this. Let's open File Explorer, and Windows 11 comes with extra icon pack and you can see the jello-y effect. So we have to install the drivers. So I'm going to right click on this PC and select manager, then go to device manager, and as you guys can see, we don't have we only have the basic drivers for Radeon R7 240. Radeon R7 240 does support Windows 11 because it supports DirectX 12. So hats off to AMD for supporting this old graphics card. Now I'm going to download the drivers from AMD website, and when we are waiting for it, let's open the Windows Store. It looks same as Windows 10. This version of Windows 11, which is developer version, doesn't support Android apps yet. So this Windows App Store looks similar to Windows 10. Now let's try to install the drivers. Click on search for Windows Update, and here you can see we are installing Windows Update. The updates was available for Windows 10 and it's working in Windows 11. So you are totally up to date. Now let's decorate our desktop. Go to personalize, go to themes. We can see that Windows 11 comes with some new themes. I like this one. Let's see what else Windows 11 have to offer. It looks good, but it's really bright for me. The dark one looks better to me. Now I'm going to open the control panel. The control panel looks similar to Windows 10. Now let's open the notification bar. And it looks the same. Oh, I forgot. You can't open the task manager from the taskbar. From now on, to open the task manager, you just have to right click on the start menu and select task manager from here. The task manager looks similar to Windows 10. I'm going to disable any startup apps to increase my Windows startup speed. Now let's go to this PC properties. As you guys can see, I have installed Windows 11 on my 3rd generation Core i5 computer. It has Core i5-3470S processor, which is running at 3.6 GHz overclocked. It has 8 GB of DDR3 Ram running at 1600 MHz. The operating system is 64-bit, as Windows 11 does only support 64-bit. If we look down a little, we can see I'm running Windows 11 Pro, which is developer version. As you guys can see, I have successfully installed the driver for my Radeon R7 240 graphics. The driver version was available for Windows 10 and it's working perfectly with Windows 11. Now I'm going to install Valorant, and as you guys can see, Windows 11 can run games using Windows 10 drivers without any problem, and it's working very smoothly. And the spoiler alert, we did win the game. That's how you install Windows 11 to any desktop or laptop computer without facing any problems. So guys, that is all for today. Don't forget to like if you like this video. Also consider subscribing and ring the bell icon. See you in the next one.